Hi, I'm Pedro Plasencia with Country Real Estate in California's beautiful Central Coast. While most of my work is focused on the Central Coast, every so often I have the privilege of taking on a truly special project for a loyal and trusted client outside my typical geographic market, but in an area I know well. This Westminster home in Orange County is one of those rare occasions. It's been in my client's family for decades, and I'm honored to help find its next owners. Let's take a look at what makes this home so special. Today we're in the sought-after Westminster neighborhood of Indian Village. This charming home was built in 1955, so it features a classic stucco finish exterior, has really clean lines, and I really like this crisp black trim. It also has a stamped concrete driveway, inviting front porch, and really easy maintenance front yard landscaping. I love that this is one of those neighborhoods where you still have the mail brought to your front door. Let's go have a look inside. So stepping inside, the first thing we notice is the open layout and natural light that fills the rooms through these upgraded dual-pane windows. Pretty quickly, I feel drawn right into the country-style kitchen, which has been fully remodeled with rustic finished cabinetry, beautiful granite countertops, recessed lighting, and a full suite of appliances. The dark laminate wood floor, which is really durable, also gives the home a bit of a classy look. And then you'll also notice there's newer ceiling fans throughout. This home was built in 1955, and from what I can gather in the records, it was built originally as a 4-bedroom home, and it appears one of the bedrooms was opened up to create this den. This is perfect as a formal dining room. It can be an office, a playroom, a sitting area, and it can easily be converted back into a bedroom if needed. This home is very special, being that it's been in the family for decades. It's move-in ready, having been remodeled and upgraded several times over the years, and it's close to schools, parks, shopping, dining, and easy freeway access. For a 1,237 square foot home, these 3 bedrooms are very spacious, bright, and they all feature brand new carpeting. Some additional features and upgrades worth mentioning. The home has a newer roof, 1-car garage that's attached, indoor laundry, and it's been completely painted inside, and painting has been done on the exterior as well. There are also 2 baths. Both have been fully remodeled, and it includes a 3/4 bath and a full bath with a tub. With this lot being just over 7,400 square feet, it gives us a spacious and private 70-foot by 50-foot backyard retreat that includes concrete patio as an extension of the kitchen, which is perfect for barbecuing, mature shade trees, a block wall which sits behind the wide garden planter around the perimeter, and you still have plenty of room to play. If you'd like to learn more about this Westminster home, or if I can help you with your real estate needs on the Central Coast in San Luis Obispo County or South Monterey County, be sure to reach out to me. I'd love to help.